sketches delivers that. Well, anyhow, here we go. Here we go. No more chatting. I'm sick to death of your stupid questions. This is punishment, eh? No, without anesthesia, eh?
Well, I've asked the best question.
Eh? You have a question?
I've asked the best question. I got into so much trouble for it that I won't ask anymore.
What was your question? I forgot it.
What colour is that?
Oh my God.
What
All
color?
right, I don't want to know the answer. I've
What
already
color
answered
is
it.
that question? All right. Well, look, that means no, that's good. Okay. Well, let's do the painting. Well, we have a challenge here. I forgot how I done it the other one. It was many years ago, but I have a challenge. The water is too weak. It's too weak. We need to put another value. So all the work I done was almost a waste of time. We have to put another wash on the water, and then we paint the mountain, and then we paint here. Okay, I'm gonna put another wash on the water, which is sometime when yeah. You see, in painting you have to concentrate. I have to. So here I go, Viridian. No, on the top I start. Let's do it again. Top. I need light. Well, let's see how we go. Viridian. Okay, I paint Viridian. Maybe I leave some. I create gaps. Ladies and gentlemen. Then come down with more cobalt blue and Viridian. And we leave some little gap for boats. They're gonna be boats.